If you've hit your 30s and noticed your skin starting to look a little different, less bouncy, a little dull, fine lines showing up in places they weren't before, I need you to watch this. Because here's what nobody tells you. That's not just aging. That's collagen collapse. And it starts earlier than you think. Most women don't realize their collagen production drops by about 1% every single year after the age of 21. By the time you're 35, you've already lost a significant portion of the foundation that keeps your skin firm and youthful. But here's the good news, and this is what changed everything for me and for a lot of women inside the Collagen Blueprint Club. You can actually rebuild collagen, not just slow the loss, rebuild it. In this video, I'm going to show you the anti-aging method dermatologists quietly use on themselves, not what they sell at the counter, what they actually do. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear system you can start today. But before we talk about building collagen, we have to talk about something even more important. You have to stop the things that are destroying your collagen right now. Most women skip this step, and then they wonder why nothing works. The three biggest collagen killers hiding in everyday life are sugar, UV exposure without proper protection, and chronic stress. Sugar creates a process called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to collagen fibers and make them stiff and brittle. Over time, that leads to wrinkles and sagging skin. UV exposure breaks down collagen directly and accelerates photoaging. And chronic stress raises cortisol, a hormone that can literally break down collagen while you sleep. One study even found that women with high sugar intake showed significantly more visible signs of skin aging than women who consumed less sugar, regardless of their skincare routine. The solution isn't complicated. It's intentional. Reduce excess sugar, protect your skin from daily UV exposure, and start supporting your body's stress response. That alone lays the foundation for collagen repair. But this next part is where most collagen routines completely fall apart. And it's the reason expensive supplements often don't work the way people expect. Timing. Dermatologists understand something the supplement industry rarely talks about. Collagen peptides only help if your body can actually absorb and use them. Your body does most of its repair work during a specific overnight window, primarily while you sleep. If your sleep schedule is inconsistent, or if your gut is inflamed, the collagen you're taking may not be used efficiently by the body. The real protocol involves a few key pieces working together. First, vitamin C acts as a cofactor that helps your body synthesize collagen. Without it, collagen production slows dramatically. Second, your body needs the right amino acids from collagen peptides or protein sources. And third, your body needs a supportive nighttime routine so it can actually enter that repair state while you sleep. Inside the Collagen Blueprint Club, this entire process is mapped out step by step. The timing, the cofactors, the routines, everything. And many women start noticing visible improvements in their skin within 6 to 8 weeks. Now, if you only focused on stopping collagen killers and supporting your repair window, you'd already see improvement. But there's another layer that makes those results much stronger over time. Long-term collagen production is not about one product. It's about what I call a lifestyle stack. For example, red light therapy a few times per week has been shown in multiple studies to stimulate fibroblasts. These are the cells responsible for producing collagen. Facial massage techniques like gua sha can help increase circulation to the skin. Adequate protein intake provides the amino acids needed to build collagen, and even something as simple as sleep positioning can reduce the mechanical stress on your skin overnight. When these habits are combined, they create an environment where your body can continuously support healthy collagen production. And once it becomes routine, it's actually very simple to maintain. That's exactly why the Collagen Blueprint Club exists, to guide women step by step through these habits with a clear system and a supportive community. And that's really what this approach is about. Not chasing quick fixes, but supporting your body so it can restore what it was designed to do. If you want the full collagen blueprint, the exact protocol you can follow to see visible improvements, you can find the link in the description and join us inside the Collagen Blueprint Club. Everything I talked about today, the timing, the cofactors, the routines, is mapped out there step by step so you don't have to figure it out alone. Before we finish, let's recap what you now know. Collagen loss actually begins in your 20s. By your 30s, that process speeds up, but it's not irreversible. When you remove the collagen killers, support your body's natural repair window, and build a lifestyle that encourages collagen production, your skin can begin to change in powerful ways. You might have started this video thinking aging was something that simply happens to you, but now you know it's something you can actively influence. Because simple natural things work the best, God gave us all the remedies we need right here on earth. I pray God bless you and heal any illness in your body. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.